Hello, welcome to ID Locksmiths. What I'm going to talk about in the next few minutes is about the two different types of keys you'll have in your door. First off, I'm going to look at the cylinder key, which is this one. Found commonly in your plastic UPVC doors. This is a cylinder key. Also, this type of key is found on your rim cylinders, your Yale latch locks, etc. The second key we're going to have a look at is the mortise key for your mortise locks. Looks like this. Some people refer to it as a key which looks like a castle. This is for your mortise lock. Comes in different colours, satin like this one, or gold, and in different shapes. Thank you.